they made little steps because people were smaller back then? Is that the deal? There's space. Oh yeah, Jason can't even come down here.
Here you have water down here.
How much?
A lot.
So long?
How long has it been there?
That's not, I don't know if that's a lot.
Oh, actually, it probably just comes from the Bilko door. Never mind.
Yeah.
Probably, and then this is a low point where it
Okay.
sits.
I like this space too.
This
Nothing's
would be
wet.
great if you actually lived on the first floor and had this finished down as a basement. And you can't technically, it's too low to call it any living space, but
Yeah,
really,
right.
why
gonna be-
couldn't you? If it was all cleaned up. Oh, look, we have this cool wall. It's like
Oh yeah.
old wall.
There's some stuff.
And for me,
Yeah, who cares?
it's not too much for me. I can have like a pottery studio down here. All kinds of stuff. But right, we're thinking if we change that Bilko door, because I think you have to be able to access these things back here.
I definitely fixed it at least so that it's sealed, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have to repoint this. It's crumbling.
Part of it can stay
Oh
over
yeah,
there.
it's not bad.
Yeah, it's just, you could never make this like, you could never legally
Right,
advertise
claim it
this.
as,
As
If
living
we,
space,
Like
but-
if we lived on the first floor though, and you finished it out, and you
I'd
had
use
all
this.
this, you could have a movie room down here.
Mhm.
You could have a lot of storage, you could put your laundry.
That's when you gotta fix these moisture problems, there's a lot of.
yeah, that part of it, yeah.
Mildew and.
So hopefully all of the beams, ceilings are gonna look like this when we,
Oops, so too.
actually, I don't know if they do, because this looks like what the guy next door has, these little X crosses. I don't know if we do have that.